Today, we're making yeast pancakes with blueberries. They look beautiful and taste amazing. You'll find the exact ingredient measurements in the description below, as always. And for new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In a bowl, crumble 35 grams of fresh yeast. Add a tablespoon of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of milk. I've heated 2 cups of milk here, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of that warm milk to the yeast mixture. Then I'm mixing it all together. Now I'll set this aside for about 10 minutes to let the yeast mixture rise a bit. After that, I'll add the remaining ingredients. Next, add 30 grams of very soft butter. You can melt it if you prefer. Then add 2 whole eggs and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Pour in the rest of the warm milk. It shouldn't be hot, but it's important that it's warm. Mix everything together. Finally, add 3 cups of wheat flour. I'm using standard measuring cups here. You can add about 250 to 300 grams of blueberries and mix it all together. Of course, you can make these with other fruits if you prefer. Now, we'll fry the pancakes in hot oil over medium heat. Cook them on each side. After frying, place them on a paper towel. Just before serving, dust them with powdered sugar and they're ready. Dig in and enjoy your meal.